Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Gigabrain by Virtuals token. Ticker symbol is BRAIN. Now this token has a huge market cap, $15.3 million market cap. It's up 74.8% right now, and this is a brand new token that just came out under 24 hours ago. We're going to go over the information on the Gigabrain by Virtuals token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token has 18 decimal places. It is on the Base chain. You can find it on basescan.org. They've had 39,877 transfers so far. 3,198 holders, and they have a max total supply of 1 billion tokens. Ticker symbol is BRAIN. You can find the chart on DEX Tools and DEX Screener. Now, this token here, they just came out actually 18 hours, 53 minutes ago on Uniswap. That's how brand new this project is here. So you can find the Telegram webpage, Twitter, all of those linked there on DEX Screener. And it says here that, this token is available on Uniswap, and you can get it off there if you like. First of all, there is it says Think Next Gen Bloomberg Terminal native to Web3, comprehensive, real-time, and built for serious traders. Institutional grade market intelligence powered by advanced artificial intelligence models. It says we analyze whale movements, on-chain metrics, protocol data, and social sentiment in real time across 1,000+ projects. Our fine-tuned large language models dive deep into the ecosystem to surface high conviction alpha before it goes mainstream. Built for traders who seek an edge, through data-driven insights, Gigabrain combines powerful analytics with blockchain intelligence. So if you are looking to get this token here, first of all, you can get this, the web page actually, where you can find the contract address is linked here, gigabrain.gg. And then if you go to gigabrain.gg/token, it has specific token information. And it says, power up your trading with the native token on the Gigabrain ecosystem, access premium features, earn rewards, and join the elite community of degens who want that institutional grade edge. And it says, get on Virtuals. So that's one way you can get the token is app.virtuals.io /virtuals/18114. So that's the number there. So that's one way to get it, where you can basically use their embedded swap on the page. You can connect your wallet. They have a place where you can connect like your Coinbase wallet, Trust Wallet, or MetaMask wallet, and you can swap using the page. You can also get this token off of Uniswap you can fund your wallet with Base from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Base, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then using the contract address you could find on their Base Scan, DEX Tools, DEX Screener, web page, I'm going to put their Twitter up right here. Maybe it's on there as well, at Gigabrain GG. And they also have a Telegram as well linked on their webpage. So you could probably find it all over, but just make sure you have the right contract address. You would then trade your base for this token using that contract address. And as far as slippage goes, I don't believe that there is tax. No, it says 0% buy and sell taxes, so you don't have to worry about slippage. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees, though. Their Telegram is at Gigabrain GG, 920 members, 308 of them are online. It says Next Gen Alpha Discovery for Web3 Degens. That's a great place to talk to other community members about the project. And yeah, so the contract address is right there on the Twitter. Really easy to find at Gigabrain GG. Blue verified checkmark, 365 posts. It says track recent alpha, and then it has a link to the agent at Gigabrain_agent. Has a link to the Telegram and the webpage. So basically all the links you're going to need are right here on this Twitter. And then they have a document rewards program that you could check out in their pinned tweet there as well. And they just posted their next to-do list as well on their X, on their Twitter, that you could check out. It says next to-do list, alpha groups, upgrades to the agent on Twitter, improvements to the terminal. And then on the web page here, it says they have a roadmap here. It says our vision for building the ultimate intelligence platform for degens. Here's what we're working on to give you that institutional grade edge. Number 1, agent evolution is in progress, taking our AI agent out of beta with enhanced capabilities for market analysis, sentiment tracking, and alpha generation, improved natural language processing, and context understanding. Then alpha signal optimization, that's also in progress. I mean, everything's probably in progress because this is just came out, basically, this token under 24 hours ago. It says fine-tuning our alpha detection algorithms with advanced ML models to reduce noise and increase signal accuracy, enhanced filtering for high conviction opportunities, back testing engine, robust back testing framework to validate trading strategies against historical data, includes performance analytics, risk metrics, and strategy optimization tools. And then we have here automated trading engine, smart order routing and execution engine to automatically act on high confidence signals, includes risk management, position sizing, and portfolio rebalancing. Then after that, enhanced data sources on the roadmap, integration with additional data providers and APIs to expand our market intelligence coverage, including social sentiment, news, and alternative data sources. After that, on-chain intelligence, deep integration of on-chain data analysis, including whale tracking, smart money flows, and protocol metrics across major chains and L2s. And then the last phase of the roadmap, technical analysis engine, advanced price action analysis with automated pattern recognition and technical indicator triggers, real-time alerts on technical development. So go check out this project, gigabrain.gg. It's where you're going to find the webpage. You can find it listed also on Dex Screener, Dex Tools, Base Scan, etc. Check it out on Virtuals. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.